Good day, and it's a very fine day, and today is 10/19/2012 with the monthly options expiration Friday and red October in play. One of the things that we're going to do with our MMTs is that we've had great ranges here, and we broke the 100-day simple moving average. And every time that we came off of these other bottoms where the 100-day simple moving average was support levels, that was great entries to sell into resistance. As we said, you buy at support, and when it comes up here and it filled in the gap, which it had a great run in its volatility, you come down the first pass. This is where the first pass toward the 100-day, bam, it pops right up to this area, which was 645 off of the original lows. Then we pop up here and we fill in that gap down right here, and it was time to get off board, and that was at 652, as we said, and now we're below that 100-day moving average. And when you go back over here to the trend line, this is where the lower end of this is that we've always told people. But the thing about it is, it's a good level of support. And when we come down and fill in these little gaps, that's going to be slightly below $600. And here is the Apple trade, what the monster is short from 631 to 609, $22.15 range, almost $100 in total value off of that 705 area, where that was the end of the party from the other telephone launches that they did, and that was that daily volatility up there. And once again, with all the live videos and understanding how to buy at support, sell resistance, get short, and you've made lower lows all the way down to this trend line where these breakouts happened way back over here on 8/2 of 2012. So let's just show my MMT, that support line MMT, where this little gap starts to that particular high. Then there is another little gap down here where we went up and we started that. That would be that lowest support level right above 600, and we're going into the calls. Once again, learn how to sell short. The majority of the crowd, everyone owns Apple and have for a long time. But when that selling gets in there, this is how you get those big downside moves. And this is why we caution people, when you get overbought in bull runs, doesn't matter how great the company is, listen, there will be great buying opportunities at some point within the bull that started in the summer of 2012 with the horrible earnings. And the bulls that remained on the sideline that were never involved in it, they'll get buying opportunities down in here. I will tell people the 200-day moving average is down here at 580 now. Okay? And yes, this is your support level. And we hit it, 609.62. We had 1,178 lows intraday all the way down there versus 7 highs on that open where you get that entry. And that's how you get that short. Once those highs weren't going higher and that resistance, this thing hasn't looked back. So that's the Apple update, and earnings will be October 25th. And yes, we're pulling close to $100 off of the high, but and yes, it's deeply oversold at this level.